Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. The weekend is over. Time to get back on the Monday grind. I know you're ready, so let's do this. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of nice watch faces for you all to check out, and we're going to start off with number one, which I'm telling you this video is going to do it justice. You got to see this in person. I paid $1.20 for this, so go check it out in the Gear Manager store. Now, the name of the watch face is called Elgant B. Now, Elgant B looks nice on, but it looks just as nice off. You're going to pretty much get the same look, analog look. You're going to be able to see all your important information at a glance. And when the watch face is on, I like the uniqueness. I like the uniqueness in the hand. It kind of blings at the tip of each hand for your analog watch face. And you get a few dials. You get one for your steps. You're going to get one for your battery. And you're also going to get one for your distance, miles walked, or ran. You're also going to get your time and your date over to the right. So I'm thinking, guys, this is definitely a good look. They got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch that gives it a little bit more classic. But once we start going into some of the features, it starts to get really nice. So if I single tap here, I can change the theme of the watch face right here in this corner. And I got so many different ones to choose from. I'm just going to cycle through a few of them so you can get an understanding of what you're going to get once you get this watch face. So if you need to change up, this is definitely going to be the watch face for you to check out, right? And if I tap in the center, I can change the color of the dials. I thought that was pretty slick. Kind of match it up with whatever theme you're going to be going with, and just keep going till you get to where you want to be. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this watch face. Let's check out watch face number two. Watch face number two. Now, number two is called Elite. This is definitely a good looking watch face. I don't know if you're going anywhere on a business trip or whatever, but this is a nice analog watch face, right? So in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get a simple analog look. Not quite as nice as what you're going to get when it's on, but still, you're able to tell time. Now, when the watch face is on, you got a couple of dials. You are going to get info on your battery. You're going to get kind of a racing strike that's going down the side of the watch on the left. You're going to get your day and your date. You're also going to get the name of the watch face, which I thought wasn't a bad look at all. And you can customize the color. And I thought that was pretty nice, right? Single tap, and you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. This one here is worth its weight in gold. It is free. We all like free. Check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Last but not least, watch face number three. And watch face number three, people, it is a freebie. All right, we all like free, right? So the name of the watch face is called Black Steel Lite. They do have a paid version of this, but I think the Lite version is worth its weight in gold. Why? Because it's free. All right, so in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's going to be dimmed down. You may not get your second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, but when the watch face is on, you get everything you can ever think of wanting in a smartwatch. If you're looking for your step info, exercising, you got your step percentage. You also got your battery info. You come down to the bottom, you get info on miles walked or ran. You get your step info, get floors climbed. You come up to the top, you get a digital time. So you get the best of both worlds. And the digital time is in 24 hours, gives you the day, the date, and the month. What more can you ask for, right? I'm thinking definitely this is a good look and worth downloading at the end of the day. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all have the greatest day ever. Grind hard, push the day through. All right, you all, if you like the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.